Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share my thoughts about careers in the software industry. It is based on my experience and the people around us. Now, as many of you have ambition to step into the software sector, mainly the career paths for the software developers or engineers. As you know, there are so many beginners and experienced programmers who actually have no idea about career opportunities. See, first thing is, opportunities does not happen, you create them. Friends, you know, as we are hearing that every year, every day, at some point of time, a new technology is coming or something new is introducing to make our life much better and easier. The thing here is IT is evolving very fast. Many programmers and developers work hard in their own role to introduce a new application or a software in the market. Technology is vast and the demand of software developers and the programmers is also very high in the market, right? So there are many options available to choose as a career path in software development. And we cannot say one field is better than the other field, right? Sometimes people get confused too when they hear about a specific field in the software development and the job role involves in that, right? The question here is that, is the person really a software developer or engineer? The reality is each role have a different challenge, and it depends on the candidate what kind of challenge they would like to accept. We will discuss all career paths available in the software development and the job role as well. You know, today's professional life, we talk about the professional life. Professional life is very dynamic, and to move along with it, we need a proper career planning. When you start your career as a software developer, you really do not know how exactly you will perform in the industry, though you have a confidence that whatever you do will be done in the best way. So take some time, please, to investigate yourself. What are your major strengths and weakness? Based on that, at least 3 to 4 years of experience, you can come up with different options. Do you want to continue as a software developer forever, which could be a very good option, and there are many people who love coding forever, means even after 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, means they are interested in the coding part. If you are good in designing software components and your past designs have been appreciated a lot, then you can think to go to the technical side and become a software architect. If you are good in managing things, have good command over people and have great convincing abilities, then you can think of going towards the management role, which will start with leading a small team, which means you should have to experience that leading a small team to bigger team and multiple projects as such. If you are very good in managing things, at the same time you have a great architectural sense, then you can think of becoming technical manager, right? Where you will keep contributing in designing components and will manage team and projects. Whatever it is, no matter, you must be aware of where do you want to reach. Once you are sure about this, you should start working in the same direction. Okay, starting from your project preferences till your trainings and certificates. Your current organization may not be giving you opportunities, appropriate opportunities to reach your desired destination. Then you can wait for the right time, right? and make a move to other good organization, but it should not be very frequent, right? It should not be very frequent. We have to wait for the right time to move on. As these things happening as for many of you, but no worry, thus please just wait for your time. I have seen many guys doing monkey jump like every 6 months or after 1 year, 2 years, just keep on moving to another organization, just little to get the little hike. It's being done without a proper thinking, right? And just they are looking for over hikes, and there is no proper planning. But these people do not know what they are losing in long run. You can discuss about your career path with your manager or your line manager or reporting manager, to whomever you are reporting. And most of the organizations have standard career path defined for their employees by giving training, additional trainings, depending on their role. So you can check if it suits your interest and work accordingly, right? As that is what to do as software developers, right? Next thing is job satisfaction. To all do this, there is a job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is meant what? Should every developer, every programmer should having a goal and working to complete it can prove the job satisfaction of a software developer. How you can do this? By setting a goals. You can create a sense of purpose in your career. Why you are setting the goals? What is the purpose of setting the goals? So improving your overall satisfaction with your job. As you achieve your goals, your job and position may also automatically improve, right? Which can also increase your satisfaction. Gaining new skills can keep a software developer interested in their field long term and help them develop new interests that may affect their overall career. This is definitely true. Staying updated on latest technologies and techniques can also definitely improve the career opportunities available to the software developer. As I told you initially, as every year a new technology is coming in the market, so we also have to update according to the market. We have to learn new skills and apply them in our project, prove our skills. This can automatically set your job satisfaction. Next, improve soft skills. Soft skills seems what it's not like just the way we speak. As a software developer should have the strong programming and coding skills. But it's also important to have a strong soft skills to advise in the workplace, right? As we are working with the team and collaborating with the team, right? So this soft skills is nothing but what? Those things are communication, problem solving, creativity, adaptability, work ethic, and emotional intelligence, time management. All this, not only this, mainly the leadership, which means when we are communicating with the team, they should be communicate properly, should be efficient. Make sure you should be able to solve the problem what the team is facing. You should have come up with the solid solutions, come with creativity. Also, the time management. Time management is not just make sense that you are coming office on time and leaving office. Time management is what? How we are utilizing the things and how effort we are putting is not matter. How things we are utilizing and how much work done for the day and how much effort we are collaborating the team and what we have done for the team. Next thing, main part is that after a period of time or some years, every developer thinks that why do you have to stay in the same company, cannot move to the different company. This is a very interesting topic. Let's come to this. When to move? When to move means what? When do I have to move to the different organization, right? It's a very interesting question. The thing here is that when I should move to another organization, but here I cannot say answer in simple words, right? You know your career path. And if your current organization is enough to put you at your final destination, then why do you want to leave the company? Everything is satisfied. Leaving an organization just because of few bucks is never a good reason, right? Even leaving organization too frequently is also a not good idea. Though you are getting a great position and big hype, this is simply because you are losing your credibility. And none of the good companies will rely on you, because they will also monitor that you are just simply keep on updating your resume with changing the different organization, which means you are always behind the money and position. So who knows when you will leave them? This also affect your career. So my request is, please don't change the organizations frequently. Wherever you stay, you just stay there at least a couple of years, know the things better, work in different projects, improve your skills. Okay? If you have seen some internal HR and management issues within your organization, then try to resolve them, because you never know your next organization, right? You may have been a bigger issues than your current organizations. That's also happen. You can discuss your issues with your manager or a reporting manager or whoever it may be, or it can discuss with your HR also and resolve them, right? If you see no further growth and good career options in the current organization, at the same time your learning curve got a saturation, then it's time to make a shift to another organization. Right? If everything is not good and if you are not satisfied, it's not going to work out. There may be a situation when you are not getting a fat salary and having great position in your current organization, but you are learning a lot, which will add a lot of value in your resume, right? And your career also. Then better to stick with the current organization until your learning is over, until you are perfect, right? So this is what I can share you, friends. Please think of and how you can plan your career and how you can reach your goals. Also at the end, I just want to share about the freelancer or a contract jobs. These software engineers can also choose to go to the way of freelancers or contract workers, right? This path maybe resembles that of the individual contributor regarding job responsibilities, but however, it represents many different opportunities for job growth. By definition, freelancer software engineers are not the members of the organization that employs them, right? As such, it likely will not be possible to move up the career ladder. You see the difference of freelancers and the employees who are working for the organizations. Although it is certainly possible for freelancers to jump into full-time positions at a company after freelancing, right? They still have options. Instead, freelancers will need to behave similarly to a business entity to advance their career paths. Let's, for example, suppose a freelancer engineer wants to increase their salary. What they do? They will need to acquire new clients instead of working towards a promotion, right? Despite this ambiguity in their career paths, many software engineers prefer the freelancing route because of the freedom and flexibility that naturally come with such positions. Right? Really. Not only that, if you have the coding skills, freelancing can still command a high salary. Is it? Right? So friends, this is what I can from my side. Please think once, twice about your career, how you can move on, choose the right path. Just stay up. Good luck. Thank you.